Okay.
Standard Kia Optima door handle. Putting in LEDs inside the door handle, so when you open up the door, they light up. As you can see, there's a carbon fiber coating, and below is an actual standard handle. So we're going to go ahead and go through it and take it apart. You have to create a wedge between the handle and the backing so you can go ahead and snap that piece off. So I'm using knives. And just pull out. Go ahead and take the handle, the back part of the handle, and put it into the vise, or you can use your hand. Take your drill a hole about, say, ½ an inch down from the first line here.
Quarter inch hole.
That's our hole. Feed the LED here through the inside of the backing of the handle, and then there's going to be a sleeve. Then I'll go over the LED itself, give it a flush mount, put the sleeve over the LED, go ahead and position the sleeve inside of the hole, and then once you have it positioned, go ahead and push in. Just like that.
This is the rear handle of the car.